Hello, today is Friday, April 24th, 2020, and we have already come to the end of our second week of online learning or remote learning. So I want you to just feel really proud of yourself. You've been working really hard, and we only have a couple more weeks, boys and girls, until you are ready to go on to first grade. Let's get into today's lesson by watching a video. This video will help us remember what subtraction is. Remember, taking away.
I am subtraction, and this is my action. I take a number or an amount away from another with satisfaction. I'm subtraction, and I'll show you what I do. When you have a whole number, I decrease a number size, it's true. I'm a subtraction symbol, and this is how I look. A short horizontal line you'll find me in any subtraction book. My job's to take away a particular quantity from an amount of anything in a math equation based on me. I'm opposite of the addition symbol, which is used to add. So when you have too much of something, just subtract, you'll feel glad. But before we move on to a subtraction equation, the equal symbol's introduction will complete our calculation. I am the equal symbol, it's nice to meet you. Up to the right of a math equation, and this is what I do. I take the value of an equation from the right of me and show its equal in value or amount. To my left you see, I am subtraction, and this is my action. I take a number or an amount away from another with satisfaction. I'm subtraction, and I'll show you what I do. When you have a whole number, I decrease a number size, it's true. Here we will go through some examples of what I do. I will team up with the equal symbol so we can show you. Here we have 5 T-Rexes, as you can plainly see, but if you subtract 2, the final amount equals 3. But if you have 6 macaws, but you only want 2, you would subtract 4 from 6 to equal 2. This equation's through. Now if you have 3 gorillas, but 2 is all you need, you would subtract 1 from 3 to equal 2. Now let's proceed. Here's 2 orangutan, but 1 is what you'd like. Just subtract 1 from 2, which equals 1 orangutan in sight. I am subtraction.
Alright, good job, boys and girls. So that video reminded us of our objective today that says, I can solve real-world subtraction problems using objects to represent the problem. And again, that's our Kindergarten Computations and Algebraic Thinking Standard 2. Let's get right into what you're going to need for our lesson. Okay, you will need a pencil, a notebook paper, and your bag full of beads and popsicle sticks. If you have lost the bag, you can use any small object like pennies or Cheerios or beans, anything you have laying around at home. Okay, so remember, subtraction means to take away. Say take away. Good job. That means our numbers are going to get smaller. So I'm going to do a problem for you. You are just going to watch. Okay, I'm going to hit play and you pay attention.
I have my notebook paper, my popsicle sticks, and a pen. You can use a pen or a pencil. I'm using a pen so that you can hopefully see better. Okay, so I'm doing the first problem by myself, and I want you to watch me as I think through the problem. It says that Solomon has 7 flowers. George comes and takes 4 flowers. How many flowers does Solomon have now? So I need to think about how many did Solomon start with, and we'll use popsicles to represent our flowers. He started with 7, so I'm going to count out 7 popsicle sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flowers, but George comes and takes 4 away. Does take away mean I'm removing some, or does take away mean I'm adding more? Good job, I'm taking some away. So I need to take 4 4 of these popsicle sticks away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the ones George took. So how many flowers does Solomon have left? Well, I need to count what's here. 1, 2, 3. He started with 7. George took 4. He has 3 left. I'm going to write that equation. 7 take away 4 equals 3. All right, now get ready to join me.
Okay, now that you've watched me, we're going to do one together. So get out your materials. I'm going to read the problem twice to you. It says, Callie has 8 Legos. Robbie takes away 6 Legos. How many Legos does Callie have now? All right, let's take a look.
With me, so we'll write a number 2. And our problem says that Callie has 8 Legos. Robbie takes away 6 of her Legos. How many Legos does Callie have now? Okay, so we need to start by counting out 8 popsicle sticks because that's what Callie started with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boys and girls, are we taking away or adding together today? Good job. I heard you say we're taking away. It says that Robbie took away 6 of her Legos. So how many popsicle sticks will we take away? Good. 6. Let's take 6 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many Legos does Callie have left? How many popsicles do we have? 1, 2. Good. Callie has only 2 popsicle sticks left. Let's write our equation together. How many did she start with? Good job, boys and girls. 8. Are we going to write a subtraction or addition symbol? Good. Subtraction. Subtract. How many did Robbie take? Good memory. 6. Then don't forget your equals. How many are left? Good, just 2. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Today we have been practicing taking away or subtraction. Alright, once you're done with this one, we'll do another one together.
Alright, our last one to do together says that Marisol has 10 Barbies. Bella took away 4 Barbies. How many Barbies does Marisol have now? Before we begin, make sure you're doing this one with me because it's together a we do.
We're going to do one more together before you're off to do one by yourself, so let's write a number 3. Very good. This problem says that Marisol has 10 Barbies. Bella took 4 Barbies away. How many Barbies does Marisol have now? Alright, let's remember the first thing that we need to do is lay out how many Barbies or how many objects the person had at the beginning. And it says Marisol had 10 Barbies. So let's count out 10 popsicle sticks. 1, 2, make sure you're doing this at home. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it tells us that Bella took 4 of her Barbies away. So am I going to add 4 Barbies or 4 popsicle sticks into my mix, or am I going to take 4 away? Good job. I'm going to take 4 away. Let's take those away now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then our job is to count how many Barbies Marisol has left. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. equation now. How many Barbies did Marisol start with? Good, 10. What goes here? Minus or take away. How many did we take away? 4 equals 6. Alright, boys and girls, that's a lot of hard work we just did. I want you to kiss your brain. Great job.
Okay, now that we've had a chance for you to watch me do one by myself and then join me to do two with me, it's your turn. I'm going to read it twice to you really slowly so you can understand what it's saying. Braxton had 9 cookies. Abednego took away 4 cookies. How many cookies does Braxton have now? One more time, boys and girls. Braxton had 9 cookies. Abednego took away 4 cookies. How many cookies does Braxton have now? I'll give you a couple minutes to do your work. Remember to write your equation, your number sentence. Alright, as I see boys and girls are finishing up, I want to remind you to take a picture of your notebook page, have someone at home take a picture of it, and upload it to Parent Square, Class Dojo, or text message. Have a great rest of your day, boys and girls, and enjoy your weekend. Make sure you try to do something fun. Bye!